Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Reflect Flow Pro Plus. In this video I'll show you how to enter pairing mode for your earbuds. If it's the first time pairing, simply open the lid of the charging case. Your earbuds will automatically enter pairing mode. If it's not, take your earbuds out of the charging case and now press once on each earbud and then press second time, and the second time hold for 5 seconds. And that's how you enter pairing mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.